Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? Hope you all are very fine, fit and healthy at your home. Children, in last session we have learnt about composition of air, layers of atmosphere and some properties of air. Now in today's session you are going to learn about see weather forecast. Children, you may have seen in television TV reporters reporting about this weather forecast. Let us see. They may be a TV reporter is presenting a forecast about several aspects, elements of weather such as temperature, cloudiness, humidity, showers, whether a storm is likely in the next few days, etc. This is a weather forecast. Now let us see about atmospheric circulation. Why do these changes happen? Now let us see. The sun heats up the atmosphere and the oceans, but this heating effect is not even due to the movement of the earth. As a result, air currents and ocean currents are formed because of difference in temperatures. These changes keep the atmosphere and oceans in constant motion, and their interactions play a critical role in shaping the weather and climate. What is the difference between weather and climate? Now let us see. Weather. Weather is a state of atmosphere at any given time and place. It is the mix of events that happens each day in the atmosphere at a place. The state of atmosphere at a given place may not be stable even during the same day. It may change within a few hours. Now, let us see about climate. Climate is a general weather pattern of a place for over many years. It gives the overall picture of weather in a particular region for a certain time period or for years together. So now let us see some of the symbols of weather. Weather conditions can be represented by some symbols as shown here. Sunny, cloudy, overcast, thunderstorm, partly sunny, fog, showers, heavy rain, rain with sun, snowy, partly cloudy night, unknown data, rain night, sleet, cloudy night, clear night. Like this way. You are having some weather signs. Now, climate is what you expect and weather is what you get. So this is the difference between climate and weather. Now let us see seasons. We are having in our India three main seasons. Now you can see the pictures of this here. Some areas of our country are near the coast while some are in mountains. Some places are very hot and some are very cold. Despite this varied climate, the whole country experiences the same cycle of seasons. The summer season from March to June, the rainy season from July to October, and the winter season from November to February with some variations. Traditionally, Indians follow six seasons. They are also called as ritus in a year. Each season lasts for about 2 months. They are spring in Telugu called as Vasanta, summer Grishma, monsoon Varsha, autumn Sharad, fall Hemant, and winter Sisir. Now let us see about extreme climate changes taking place in these days. Scientists have been warning that the world's climate is changing a lot due to the direct or indirect actions of human beings and their intervention in nature. The main reason for this change is global warming. Now, let us see what is natural global warming or natural greenhouse effect and what is enhanced global warming and enhanced greenhouse effect. This extreme weather condition you are seeing here a picture of. Now let us see the greenhouse effect. What is this? Now, when the sun heats the earth, the greenhouse gases of earth such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide and methane retains some of the heat on the Earth's surface. This is called as a greenhouse effect. Without this natural greenhouse effect, the Earth would not be warm enough for human beings to live. This warming is known as natural global warming. So now let us see what is enhanced global warming. All the things that make us comfortable have contributed immensely to the increase in the emission of greenhouse gases. These gases in the atmosphere have trapped more heat on the Earth's surface and made it still warmer. This is called as enhanced global warming. Due to this, it results in rising seawater levels due to the melting of icy regions and also mountain tops across the world. This in turn causes floods and massive destruction of low lying areas. Hence, the weather also becomes more extreme, be it droughts or violent storms or heavy rains. Now, how to get rid of this enhanced global warming? What can we do to reduce this one? So let us see. By planting more trees will reduce the greenhouse gases as trees absorb carbon dioxide from the air. So plant as many as trees you can to save the earth from this enhanced global warming. Now let us see. You're seeing in these pictures some destructions. What is responsible for this destruction? The only answer is atmosphere, that is air. Sometimes the air moves from one place to another place at a great speed in the form of cyclone, like you are seeing here in the first picture, and or like typhoons, like you are seeing in the second picture, as tornadoes, like you are seeing in the third picture. These are responsible for a large number of casualties and damage to property and agricultural crops. Nowadays, people are wearing nose masks. Don't they need air to breathe? What are the reasons and remedies for this situation? Now, let us see. Air is the most important basic need. All living things need clean air to breathe and stay healthy. If we do not stop polluting air, one day our survival itself may be in danger. So, we should be aware of this polluting our environment. So, we have to reduce the pollution of air on the earth. Now, let us see some of the instruments. What are the weather instruments that can be used to measure the basic elements like temperature, humidity, precipitation, that is rain, air pressure, wind speed, and direction? So, in order to measure all this, we need some instruments. Now, here you are seeing two instruments. One is a barometer, and another one is thermometer, which is used to measure air pressure and also temperature. In your higher class, you are going to learn some more instruments like this. Children, now we have completed our lesson air around us. In next session, we will be starting another new topic. So up to that, be happy. Allah Hafiz.